In this video, you will not only learn how to craft this elegant piece, but you'll also discover how to attach it to a French hair clip. We will be using velvet ribbon in 1 inches wide and 8 inches long. This length will allow us to create a 3.5 inches bow. Grab your needle and thread. Poke the needle in the middle. Pull. Wrap the thread around. Gently pull the thread with the help of our finger to shape the bow. Secure the shape. Now it's time to attach our French hair clip. We will pull this piece out. Glue the back of the clip and attach to the bow. Attach the centerpiece. Cut the excess fabric. Heat seal and glue. Use a piece of felt fabric to attach at the back for clean finish, but this process is optional. We will return the piece back. Give a gentle push to insert it down. Now we will add an embellishment. We use rhinestone on this bow, but you can attach whatever you like that is available on hand. There, it's finished. I hope you like this bow tutorial. If you have questions, just leave us a comment below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next.